Alright, Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event is right around the corner, and already the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2's designs have been leaked. This upcoming watch is keeping the familiar squircle shape that we saw on the first generation, but Samsung is refining it based on users' feedback. The most noticeable change is on the bezel. Samsung is bringing back those classic smartwatch vibes by adding 1 to 12-hour markings around the display, which the original model completely lacked. They're also ditching the bulky, rigid strap for a much cleaner, simpler 20mm silicone strap while keeping that secure dual buckle design. We can also notice there is a slight difference on the side profile towards the buttons. The frame on the central shortcut button covers the entire button, and the markings on the home and recents button are gone. And on the tip of the strap, you can see the Ultra branding is there within the orange border, and that refreshes the watch strap design. The display itself remains a beautiful 1.5-inch circular Super AMOLED screen. However, Samsung is pushing the brightness to at least 3000 nit this time, meaning the outdoor visibility is going to be flawless. But the biggest story here isn't the screen, it is what is powering it. Samsung is making a huge leap by ditching the Exynos W1000 processor and moving to Qualcomm's new Snapdragon Wear Elite chip. Paired with 2GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, this new processor will directly power on device AI capabilities and significantly improve overall speed. Speaking of the software, the Watch Ultra 2 will run on the brand new One UI 9 watch system built on top of Google's Wear OS 7. For those of us deep in the Samsung ecosystem, this means better optimization, snappier animations, and tighter integration with your Galaxy phone. The new Snapdragon chip combined with Wear OS 7 also brings massive power efficiency improvements, which leads us directly to the battery life. Samsung has packed a massive 800 mAh battery into the Watch Ultra 2 as per the rumors. That is a gigantic jump from the 590 mAh cell in the original Watch Ultra. Between the larger battery capacity and the more efficient Qualcomm processor, we are looking at substantially longer battery life, fixing one of the biggest complaints of the previous generations. On the health and fitness side, the Watch Ultra 2 is going to take full advantage of the massive updates Samsung recently rolled out to the Samsung Health application. Alongside the hardware sensors tracking metrics like your body composition and advanced glycation end products, the watch seamlessly fits into the app's newest software features. You will get deep, continuous insights into your overall vitals, your daily cardio load, a personalized fitness index, and advanced heart health monitoring all in one place. And one standout addition to the new Samsung Health update is the brand new Hearing Health feature, which focuses on your external environment rather than just your internal metrics. By using the built-in microphone on your Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, it actively measures surrounding ambient noise levels throughout your day. Whether you are dealing with a loud daily commute in the city or dialing up the music a little too high during a workout, the watch will deliver personalized analytics and alerts to help protect your ears and prevent long-term damage. Now, these upgrades on the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is subtle yet very meaningful, especially when it comes to the battery performance and some additional health-centric feature along with the design tweaks. Let me know in the comment section if you're planning to upgrade to this watch. Drop a comment and do not forget to subscribe for more One UI and Samsung ecosystem updates. And don't forget to download our Volverse wallpaper application. The link for the app is in the description. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.